Hi there, welcome to our Home Tools Pro channel. In this video, we are looking at the topic, do air compressors need oil? We highly recommend you to read the full in-depth blog post by go to the link below. So, let's dive in. Just like any other mechanical device, an air compressor needs oil to have a smooth and proper function. The oil lubricates the moving parts within the compressor, keeping them cool and reducing wear and tear. If your air compressor does not have enough oil, it will overheat and eventually break down. In some cases, running an air compressor without oil can void the warranty. In the full blog post we have written on our website, we have done hours of research and divided the topic into the following areas. Number 1. How to know when an air compressor needs oil. Number 2. How to change the air compressor oil. Number 3. What can happen if you add too much oil? Number 4. Are there different types of air compressor oils? Number 5. Are there oil-free air compressors? Number 6. Oil-free versus oil-injected air compressors. What is the difference? Number 7. How to do the maintenance of a lubricated air compressor, and some related matters. As I mentioned before, we go into much more detail in our blog post about the above topic. Inside that article, we dive into each of the areas above, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside the blog post and let us know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day, and thank you for checking out HomeToolsPro.com.